Alright, welcome to the video. My name is Shah. This is tutorial number 7, Pythonic way of random forest and decision tree. We will be writing classes and objects. So this would be an object-oriented code for tutorial number 6 and 7. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is basically we need to import all the libraries and modules. So make sure to do that, please. Right, so just gonna copy paste a couple of snippets, right? So there you go. So as usual, we'll be defining a class known as anon, which is gonna inherit from object the default constructor. Remember, we did it. We need to do pre-process. We did in the last videos, lot of videos, right? And don't forget, you want to access this as a property decorator. Want to create a model. Want to create a train and test functions. What the want to create a report function. Alright, now so I'm just gonna repeat, this is what we are doing from ages. Now just gonna borrow code from up, train, test, split and stuff like that. So essentially, so this is tutorial number 7, so you should be comfortable. So for the people who are directly watching tutorial 7, please make sure to watch other tutorials, right? So essentially this code is doing the same thing, and then we'll call this from the constructor so we can have access to this throughout the class, right? So essentially we'll do that. Similarly for the model, we created a model, right? So I'm gonna create a model. Similarly just created a model. I have explained this, so I don't think it's important now to explain this because this 7th tutorial we are doing this from a long time, so I expect you to know this now. And similarly the test function, I'm gonna copy the test function. And we'll do the download, so basically the confusion matrix. So we have been doing this since a lot of tutorials, so you should be comfortable with this now. So now if once the class is ready, we can run it, right? So let's remove these. Now the way you can run it is using, you have to create an object, right? So run it, gonna take time, and we have accuracy about 98% to 99%. We have the confusion matrix. So that's it for this video, and in the tutorial number, I believe this is tutorial number 6, I suppose, or 7. Let me just quickly check. Oh, this is tutorial number 7. In the tutorial number 8 and tutorial number 9, we are going to learn KNN and SVC support vector. So stay tuned and keep learning Python. Have questions, post them in the comment section. I would be very happy to answer them. Thank you for watching.